Hey folks, welcome to Canvas Cruise. As I had promised last week, I have come up with the second part of the watercolor effects video. So in this video again, I'll be showing you 4 effects of watercolors, again using some materials you can find at your home. And again, I'm sure that this is going to be a fun video. So without any further ado, let's get started.
So guys, I'm dividing this paper into 4 parts like before. In each part, one effect will be shown. First effect is going to be about using a magic eraser. So magic eraser is just like a foam that you can find in your pillows or in your sofas. So I'm just staining the first portion with yellow color. To see the effect of magic eraser, we will have to wait for some time because that effect is shown only on dry paint. So leaving the first portion like this for now and moving on to second part, here I'm applying salt water over the surface. So it is not the plain water, but I have dissolved some salt in water, and then I'm just putting paint over it. So can you see the ripple effect that the color is showing? I'm just touching the surface with paintbrush. This effect is not shown when you apply plain water. You can also do this effect with multiple colors. Here I'm using only one color. You can intensify the color by applying multiple times over same dot. You can see at some places the paint is not moving ahead so much. That's because at those places there is not enough water. So to have this effect really visible, you need to have water, salt water rather. Now using magic eraser, I have wetted the edge of magic eraser with water, and now I'm using a ruler to create a line. So magic eraser is very helpful to create highlights like these. It is very helpful when you have to create some painting in which forest is there and you want to show some sunlight coming through the trees. In that case, this technique can be used. So as you can see, the lines are not that crisp like we had seen in masking tape last time. So this is very helpful to create highlights that are quite natural in looking. Now moving on to third technique, and it is going to be about using bubble wrap. So here, after wetting the surface with plain water, I am staining the surface with red color. Again, as you can see, I am not really worrying about the strokes because the purpose of this demo is to show you the effect of bubble wrap. One thing I want you to stay aware is that the effect of bubble wrap can be really different after paint dries out. So this is how it looks just after removing, and this is how it looks when it dries out. So that's what I was saying, that it looks different when the paint dries out. In fact, this thing is true in any watercolor effect. You can see the same thing in a second box also, where we had tried to create ripple effect over salt water. Now moving on to fourth watercolor effect. Here I'm just staining the surface with a blue color, and I will be using polythene. Yes, the normal packaging polythene that we have at our home. Now I'm wetting the surface a little more because this effect is more visible over wet surface. Now I'm just putting the polythene and squeezing it a little inside because this effect is visible more in that way. I have put my hands over it for more than 4 minutes just to make you stay aware of that. So this is how it looks immediately after removing because the paint is still wet. After some time it will get dried and the paint will spread a little, so effect will be a little less intense. So this is how it's looking, as you can see. So guys, these are the 4 effects I wanted to talk about in this video. Let me just quickly write the titles of each of these effects so that at end you can take screenshot of it for your future reference if you want to. So again I want to repeat guys, don't confuse this second effect with the salt effect we had last time. In that case we had sprinkled salt on stained surface, and here we have put paint on salt water.
So that's it guys, that's all I had in today's video for you. I hope that you have liked this video and have also found it useful. Just let me know in comment section below that which watercolor effect you like the most and which one you are going to try by yourself at home. So this is the time to say goodbye to you guys. I'm signing off right now and we will meet again next Sunday 11 AM. Bye bye.